part has a job to do. From tiny chips to wires too. Inside the circuit, side by side, they're making electricity glide. It's an electric symphony. Parts in perfect harmony. Switches click and buzzers sing. LCD screens show everything. Power flows from end to end. Every component plays a friend. Oh, it's a circuit, but only in one way it's true. Transistor switch or amplify, like tiny gates for volts that fly. I see chips, whole worlds inside. Microcontrollers we can guide. Relays flip like magic doors. Motors turn and spin some more.